Knowing the battery percentage of your iPhone 14 is very helpful in managing your phone usage effectively. It allows you to plan ahead, be prepared for crucial times when you do need your phone the most, and charge it timely, all while keeping an eye on the health and longevity of your device's battery. And for that reason, we will show you 3 very easy ways you can use to check your iPhone 14's battery percentage without installing anything. First method, show battery percentage in Control Center. It's the first method because it's the quickest and the easiest way to check. To see the battery percentage on an iPhone 14 or other models that have Face ID, just look in your Control Center. To do this, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. With the Control Center pulled down, you should already be able to see the battery level of your iPhone beside the battery icon itself. And you can do that with a swipe, regardless whether your iPhone is locked or not. Second method, show percentage over battery icon. If you want to immediately know the level of your device's battery without even unlocking it or swiping on the screen, then this method is for you. To enable the battery percentage display on your iPhone 14, follow these simple steps. Go to your home screen and tap Settings. Scroll until you find Battery, then tap on it. The first option is Battery Percentage. Toggle the switch next to it to On. The battery level will now show at the top of the screen on the battery icon itself. Third method, show battery percentage using a widget. The first and second methods are already enough to show the battery level. However, there's another way to do it, and it's by using a widget. If you wish to display the battery level with this method, here's how you do it. Return to the home screen. Tap and hold any empty space until the icons jiggle. Tap the plus sign at the top left corner to view available widgets. Scroll down and select Batteries. Choose your preferred widget by swiping left. Then tap Add Widget at bottom of the screen. Your chosen widget will be immediately added to your home screen. There might still be other ways to view your iPhone 14's battery percentage using applications, but these 3 methods are the easiest and readily available. You don't need to install anything. We hope this guide can help you. Thanks for watching.